Hey everyone, and welcome back to Make Money Now. Do you want to make money online without investment? Right! But remember, a lot of scams are available on the internet. Today we're going to be talking about top 15 legit ways to make money online. Make sure you stay into number 1, as you do not want to miss what this hustle is. Number 15, vlogging. Now, here comes the interesting one. So if you're an extrovert or a person who knows how to lock the attention of the audience, then this seems a perfect job for you. It is enjoyable, flexible, and you are the master of your own art in this scenario. All you need is to pick up the camera and start recording your daily life routine while interacting with your audience. It is indeed the occupation of the era. You can get your motivation from celebrities like Kylie Jenner and Will Smith, fitness influencers like Chloe Ting, people like you and me, as in the Edwards family, and It's Judy Life. YouTube is by far the most conventional vlogging site because it's free. So we can say that it is a zero investment online business that not only gets you money, but also fame. Number 14, online teaching. With the spread of COVID-19, various daily life jobs have been digitized. One of them is teaching. Though several online platforms are serving a particular purpose for years, this is exactly the right time to step into this business. In 2020, the rate of hiring online tutors is higher than ever. Also, there is a very positive possibility that online platforms have a brighter future ahead. So, if you're a college student or high school student, or even an adult with a good grasp of any subject, then this job is exactly for you. Some of the places where you can sell your services include Khan Academy, Tutor.com, and Preply. Number 13, academic services. Now, online tutoring and providing academic services are two completely different things. There are people out there who are willing to pay you for helping in their college assignments or projects. Again, for this job, you need to have a good grasp of the subject that you will be dealing with, but believe us, it is going to be much more beneficial as it consumes less time and pays much more. Also, if you are someone looking for a short-term contracts rather than monthly or yearly affiliations, then this job is suitable for you as it will not require your efforts consistently. The duration of these assignments and projects lies within a week, which is a very convenient time frame. Platforms where you can sell your services include Fiverr, Facebook groups, and WhatsApp groups. Number 12, starting your website. Yes, you heard it right. Blogging is the oldest and yet the most reliable and successful means of online earning. Making a website has never been easier as it has become these days. All you need is to follow a 5-minute tutorial that you can get through any authorized platform, and then you are set to go. Post whatever the type of content you want to post. It could be a blogging site, a survey site, or even a news site. Once your website gains traffic, you can either earn via Google Ads or web. Some simple website creating platforms are WordPress, Weebly, and Wix. Number 11, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best gigs of 2020. It is worth a try. All you need is to affiliate yourself with a brand or online business such as Amazon or Alibaba. You must either buy their products and give reviews, or just simply compare and contrast their products with those of others in the market. In this way, you will be promoting the brand. Affiliate marketing via blogs and websites is way more successful and pays much more as the companies pay in the form of money or products. Number 10, proofreading. And here comes one of our favorites. Have you ever realized that a thing as simple as proofreading a piece of writing can lend you some bucks? If not, then it's the right time because several online websites and organizations hire people for proofreading articles, books, or even research papers and grant them money in return. Some of the sites where you might find a task waiting for you are FlexJobs, Proofreading Pal, or Fiverr. Number 9, selling your art. Now, if you're someone with an artistic mind, a person who loves to create art journals, or someone who enjoys painting, then this job is exactly for you. You can turn your passion or hobby into cash by just making a little effort, and that is to list your art for sale online. There are several online platforms where you can sell your crafts and arts, but if you want to create a self-administrated system for you, then the most convenient method in our view is to open a shop on either Facebook or Instagram. Number 8, app developing. Now, app developing is a job which is skill dependent, so its scope narrows down a little bit. But if you're a software engineering student or a computer science student, then, it's not a big deal to create an app once you have learned the skill. With the world getting digitized, selling your app is the best way of earning money. One can make a handsome amount of money by selling just one app. Sell My App is one of the platforms where you can sell your apps. Number 7, SEO services. This job is added to the list considering the high demand rate of SEO experts in 2020. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and the job of an SEO expert is to optimize an online piece of content such that it is ranked higher on any search engine. Again, it is a skill-based job, but believe us, being an SEO expert requires more of a dedication than skill. And even if you are a complete noob in this field, you can learn the basics of SEO within a week, which is enough for you to go on. With an increase in online content, it is much more difficult to catch an audience. The solution to this problem is in SEO, which makes it one of the most highly paid services of 2020. Number 6, starting a podcast or a digital show. One of the most infamous ways of getting fame in this age of digital media is to start a digital show. Now, of what good is this fame to you? Well, the more you attract an audience on digital media, it is counted as more traffic to your content. So if you think you have the tactics to pull out a digital show, whether it be a person-to-person podcast or a show featuring an audience, then this hustle is perfect for you. You will have good traffic on your content and you will get paid either by web or Google Ads or whatever means you choose. The best platform to start a show in 2020 is indeed YouTube. Number 5, video editing. Video editing is one of the easiest, interesting and selling skills of 2020. Whether it be vloggers, podcasters, online tutors, marketing agencies or online marketplaces, everyone needs a good video editor for their video. The best part of this job is that you do not need to be pre-trained for it. It is a skill that can be learned on the way. The commonly used video editing applications are Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora and other Android apps. So if you're up for earning money online in a short period without learning a new skill, then this is the best hustle for you. The amazing part is that despite its convenient ways, it pays a handsome amount of money. Number 4, freelancing. Now this may sound very mainstream, but it's exactly the gist of this video that whatever the skill set you have, you can sell it online. There are proper freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer that let you promote your skills by making gigs for them where people can buy them for you. So if you didn't find any of the already mentioned hustles of your interest, then this is for you. Whatever you are good at, be it voiceovers or photo editing, you can list it on one of these platforms and get hired. Number 3, digital marketing services. This online job is the most promising one since it is an online business rather than a job. With the increase of online marketplaces in recent years, the competition in the online market has increased. Everyone needs the best means of advertisement for their company. In this hour of need, you can launch a digital marketing company that can hire people with different skill sets and gets the jobs done for the clients. Here, your role will be of a moderator. Your effort will be minimum. All you need for this online way of earning money is some management skills and you are good to go. This job requires long-term dedication, but in the end, it's all worth it. Number 2, making your course. Now, this one might surprise you, but yes, if you're good at something, the old saying is to never do it for free. The new version of that saying says that if you're good at something, never teach it for free. So if you qualify for any particular domain, whether it be programming, physical fitness, arts or language, you can turn it into an online course and sell it. Websites like Udemy are willing to buy courses from people. And at number 1, graphic designing. Graphic designing is again one of the oldest yet the most promising jobs to invest your time in. As businesses are growing by each day, so is the need for logos and banners for their identity and promotion. So if you have even a basic knowledge of any designing software like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you should try your luck with this hustle. The best part is that it has a very wide scope. You can earn from $15 to $20 per logo. This makes this job very accommodating. The platforms where you can sell your services include Fiverr, Design Hills, Etsy, and Design Cuts. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.